Finding the zeros of a polynomial. Sometimes, it is very useful to know the values of the variables of a polynomial for which the polynomial becomes zero. These values are known as the zeros of the polynomial. For example, when factoring, simplifying or dividing two polynomials, it is useful to know the zeros, as the mentioned operations are done easier. Constant polynomials do not have zeros, as these polynomials only contain numbers, so it is impossible to make them zero. On the other hand, linear polynomials have one zero at maximum. For example, p(x) equals 4 cannot be zero, as it does not contain any variable. On the other hand, the zero of the polynomial, we have the following shown on screen. Is 3, because 2 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. The zeros of a quadratic polynomial represent the roots of the corresponding quadratic equation. For example, the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, we have the following shown on screen. Are 1 and 4, we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. Example. Find the zeros of the following polynomial: a p x equals x cubed minus x, b p x equals x squared minus 4x plus 3. Solution. A. We can factorize the polynomial to identify the possible zeros. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. The polynomial becomes zero if any of its three component factors is zero. Hence, the previous polynomial has three zeros, we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. It is very important therefore to know the degree of a polynomial, as it gives the maximum possible zeros it may have. In other words, an nth degree polynomial may have n or less 0 points. This means the corresponding equation when p(x) is taken as 0 has n roots at maximum. That is all for lesson 11.1.6. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.1.7, Finding the zeros of polynomials through iterative methods. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.